In this video, I want to show you guys how you can sell access to your course using Plug&paid. For Plug&paid, when you are creating a product that needs to give access, there are multiple ways you can sell. Like you can sell a single product, one plug with just one product, or you can have one plug with multiple products in it, and the user selects whichever product that they're interested in, or they could select two products. That's one option. Or you can also have a plug where you have a order bump, a upsell. So those are like three direct ways to sell access. And in Meribook, we handle all those situations in order for you to be able to sell your course in a very flexible way. So I guess that's what I wanted to point out. So let me show you what the user access will actually look like. So this user, Jazzy Marketing, has now access to social media management FB, right? This is the product that was sold or purchased by this user. And now inside of Meribook, they can go to that product and view the content. So this would be your course that they would be consuming. So let me just show you again where that would be. The user would log in and then they go to My Subscriptions, and your course will show up in the subscription. So here I have it marked as pinned. That's why it was showing up on top. But I just removed it. If I go back up, now it's back up. So that's the end user experience. Now let's look at what you would do as a book owner, the author of the book who is selling access. So here, let me go to this book, and we are in the Connect campaigns. And here's the Plug&paid campaign that I created. And let me just show you how that configuration is. Here we've selected our integration, and here's the product. And if I were to go back up, it shows that this user has purchased this product or now has access to it. And if they refund, they get unsubscribed. So that's what I was testing here. Oh, we saw what the buyer looks at, and now we're just looking at what you as the book owner would configure. Now let's jump into the Plug&paid interface and look at how you can have different plugs for the same product. So in my case, I have three different plugs opened already just to show you. This is a plug that I created that only has just that one product. And once we go through the checkout process, that's all the user can buy. Okay, so that's the most common setup. The other option could be you have one product with the upsell. So the user doesn't see the upsell unless they go to the next page. So let's say, all right, and then I go to the next page, and now you see this upsell. And if I click on add, then it adds it. So I had actually changed the price to $1 to do a live transaction. That's why you're seeing the one here. Applied a discount of 1. Oh, because you can't really take off 600 something, right? So it took off the $1 that was in there. Okay, so you get the idea, right? So here you have an upsell on a product. So uh, that's the second way to actually add a product to your cart, which is an upsell. Now, a third type of plug can be you have multiple products, so like you see over here. And in our Meribook account, we have this one configured, social media management. So as an end user in your shopping cart, they can buy WordPress, they can buy social media management for LinkedIn, and they can also buy the Facebook. So this one here is now being purchased as part of a combo purchase. So any of these three different plugs, when they're purchased, we actually go in and look at your order and look for this product ID. And if that product ID exists, then we give access to your product. So pretty straightforward, but just wanted to show that Plug&paid is pretty flexible, really flexible, and you have so many different options or different plugs that you can create to complete your sale. And I wanted to give you guys an overview on that. Hopefully that makes sense. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below and I'll try to help as much as I can. Thanks. Bye.